social distancing and transportation. People are walking on the sidewalk. There is a social distancing sign. This is the social distancing sign. The signs say people must stay 6 feet apart. This stops the spread of coronavirus. People wait in line. They are social distancing. They are wearing masks. There are social distancing signs on the bus. People must social distance on the bus. A man disinfects the bus. He wears a mask. He stops the spread of coronavirus. A woman disinfects the bus. She is wearing a mask and gloves. She is keeping people safe from coronavirus. People ride the train. They are social distancing. A man rides a bike. He is wearing a mask. 3 men cross the street. They are walking on the crosswalk. They are wearing masks. Many people are in the crosswalk. They are wearing masks. They are not social distancing. There are many cars on the road. The sign says to limit travel. The drivers read the sign. The sign says there is testing for coronavirus. Testing tells us who is sick and who is healthy.